In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and save the best fonts in Canva. We'll start by discovering great options right inside Canva. Then I'll show you how to save your favorites so they're always at your fingertips, and finally how to lock in consistent typography using the brand kit if you are on Canva Pro or Teams. Open your design and click any text box to activate the font controls. In the font search bar, type simple keywords like handwriting, corporate, vintage, elegant, or bold. Canva will instantly surface curated lists that match the vibe you are going for, which is a fast way to explore style directions without scrolling endlessly. If you want combinations that already work well together, head to the Text tab and look at font pairings. These are professionally matched sets for headings and body text. Applying a pairing is an easy way to build visual hierarchy and readability without guessing which fonts complement each other. Have an image with a font you love? Use Magic Grab. With your image selected, go to Edit, then Magic Studio, and choose Magic Grab. Canva will analyze the text and suggest the closest matching fonts available in its library. It's not always a perfect one-to-one, but it's a great shortcut to get a similar look quickly. For a cohesive project wide style, go to the Design tab and open Styles. Browse the pre-made font sets designed to work together across headings, subheadings, and body copy. When you apply a set, Canva updates the typography throughout your design, which helps you see the overall feel immediately. If you want to test multiple looks, apply one, review it, and then switch to another until you find the best fit. Once you've found fonts you love, save them so they're easy to reuse. Select a text box, open the font drop-down. Hover over a font name. Click the three dots and choose Star Font. Your starred fonts will now appear in a dedicated starred section at the very top of your font list. This keeps your go-to choices visible and speeds up your workflow on every project. If you are using Canva Pro or Teams, head to the Brand tab to set default fonts for headings, subheadings, and body text. This ensures consistency across everything your team creates. That's it. Thanks for watching.